What's up guys, it's me Constricta, and today I'm going to show you how to make the high-pitched whistle sound that you may have heard in BUSTA by Kompany and Cyclops. It's a pretty cool sound that stands out, and we're going to recreate it using Serum. Before we get into it, here's a quick preview of what we're making. I'll walk you through the steps so you can easily follow along and make your own version of it. It's a pretty simple sound to make, so this should be a quick one. If you find these videos helpful, feel free to drop a like and subscribe. Now let's get started. Alright, first make sure you're starting from scratch. So go to the top and click Init Preset. Change the wavetable to basic shapes, then cycle the position so it's at the third one. Let's turn down the octave to -4. Turn down the random and level knobs to 0%. Head over to LFO1, then make a simple shape like this. Let's drag this onto the level knob. Let's set the mode to trigger and the rate to an eighth note. Let's go to the warp mode and set it to FM from B. Now we're going to draw a new slope using LFO2. Let's drag LFO2 onto the warp mode and set this to around 50%. Make sure it's set to trigger and an eighth note as well. Now we're going to enable oscillator B and set the wavetable to harmonic morph. Turn up octave B to +2. Turn down random and the level knob. Change the warp mode to asymm +-. Let's drag LFO1 onto this warp and set it to around 80%. Now let's move over to the effects tab. Enable the distortion and set it to diode 1. Let's crank the drive to 100% on this. Turn down the mix knob and then drag LFO1 onto the mix. Let's set this to around 60%. To finish this off, we're going to add an OTT. You could use Ableton's stock OTT or the free downloadable version. Let's set this to around 60% and raise the gain up slightly. Let's cut off all of the low end and remove some of the higher frequencies. And that should be our finished product. This sound works really well when layered with a crunchy sub. If this video helped, consider dropping a like and subscribe. And I've got more sound design videos coming soon. I appreciate you guys watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.